If you're looking to boost your PC's performance with a reliable storage upgrade, the HP M.2 2280 NVMe SSD is worth a close look. Designed specifically for HP systems, this drive combines fast speeds with industry-leading durability to keep your data safe and your system running smoothly. At the heart of this SSD is an HP controller supporting 4 flash memory channels. It taps into PCIe 3.1x4 and NVMe 1.3 protocols, delivering sequential read speeds up to 2,100 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 1,500 megabytes per second. That means faster boot times, quicker file transfers, and snappier app launches. Speed isn't the only focus here. The drive boasts a mean time between failures, MTBF, of 2 million hours, underscoring its reliability for everyday use. Plus, it offers an endurance rating of up to 200 terabytes written, TBW, ensuring it can handle heavy workloads without breaking a sweat. What really sets this SSD apart is its advanced error correction technology. Using higher-order LDPC error correction, it performs high-speed parallel decoding and real-time error correction. This means your data stays intact and secure, even during intense read-write cycles. Compatibility is a breeze. This SSD works seamlessly with all Windows PCs and is fully compatible with HP's host X software pre-installation environment. Whether you're upgrading an HP EliteBook or another HP laptop, installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Manufactured to meet HP's stringent quality standards, each drive undergoes rigorous testing and certification in HP laboratories. This level of quality control ensures you're getting a product that performs reliably right out of the box. It's important to note that this SSD is not intended for HP workstations, so make sure your system supports M.2 2280 NVMe drives before purchasing. For most HP laptops and desktops, however, this upgrade delivers excellent value and performance. Users in the United States have praised this drive as a great deal for quick replacements. One reviewer shared how, after their HP EliteBook X360's NVMe drive failed, this SSD allowed them to reinstall the OS smoothly and update their system without any issues so far. While detailed speed tests are still pending from some users, the overall feedback points to a stable and dependable upgrade option. If you want a straightforward replacement that won't complicate your setup, this HPSSD fits the bill. Upgrading to this M.2 2280 NVMe SSD means you get faster load times, more responsive multitasking, and a drive built to last. The combination of high-speed performance and robust error correction means your data is safer and your system stays agile. If you've been putting off upgrading your storage, this drive is worth a look. It's engineered to complement your HPPC's hardware and software environment, making the transition smooth and reliable from day one. And if you're ready to enhance your system's speed without breaking the bank, this HPSSD offers a solid balance of price, performance, and peace of mind. It's a practical upgrade that delivers tangible improvements where you'll notice them most. In short, the HP M.2 2280 NVMe SSD provides a reliable, high-performance storage solution tailored for HPPCs. With fast read-write speeds, strong endurance, and full Windows compatibility, it's a smart choice for users who want dependable upgrades. Whether you're a professional needing consistent performance or a casual user wanting quicker startups and file access, this SSD adapts to your needs. It's backed by HP's quality assurance and real-world user satisfaction. So if that's you, someone looking for a hassle-free, efficient storage upgrade, this drive deserves your consideration. Try it when you're ready to experience improved speed and stability on your HPPC. Remember, investing in a certified HPSSD means you're not just buying speed, you're gaining a trusted partner for your daily computing tasks. That's the kind of upgrade that truly makes a difference. Take the step to future-proof your system with this M.2 2280 NVMe SSD. Its blend of performance, reliability, and compatibility makes it a practical choice for anyone upgrading an HP laptop or desktop. Worth a look if you want a dependable, fast, and easy-to-install storage solution that fits right into your HPPC's ecosystem. The HP M.2 2280 NVMe SSD is ready to deliver the performance boost you need.